Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in again. Welcome back to Heron Park here on YouTube. I wanted to bring you guys that requested yellow eyeshadow look. I was able to get my hands on the new bundle from Urban Decay, the Honey Pot bundle. So I wanted to bring you guys a mini review and also a new eyeshadow tutorial. First, I'm starting out with the primer potion in the shade Honey. The mini version of their primer potions are $13. The full size price is $24. So what I got for the price was great to me. It's actually a good pair for the eyeshadows in that palette. It really does make them pop. You'll see here in just a few seconds. So this is the mini Honey palette. And the first shade that I'm using is called Sticks. I'm going to put that right in the crease and blend upward to create a transition shade. What I like most about this palette is that it's buildable. If you want to go for something sheer, you can, but if you want something that pops a little more, you could just add more eyeshadow to it. The second color that I'm using is called Stun, and it's the darkest shade in this palette. I'm going to be putting that in the outer V. The third color is called California Honey, and that's going to be my main lid shade. The primer does give it a little bit of a boost, as you can see right here. The last shade is optional. It's called Buzzed, and I use that right between the main lid shade and the outer V to help transition the color to the outside. It's really optional, but it's just something that I do to try to make sure that everything is blended well. And I'm adding liner here to top and bottom. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 liner in amber in my bottom waterline. Add some lashes, and then I'm going to move on to my face. Okay, so this turned out to be the perfect opportunity to give you guys my review on the Stay Naked foundation. It's $39, and I believe I got mine from either Ulta or Sephora. I can't remember. I've been having it for maybe a couple of months now. It easily became one of my favorite foundation releases in 2019. My shade is 61NN. I have a neutral undertone, and this shade is the most comfortable match that I could find. I love how breathable it is. I love the amount of coverage you get from 3 pumps. That's all I have to use, and it's because I like to build up around my chin area. I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation around my mouth, and I love when I don't have to use a whole lot of foundation or color correct to be able to cover that area. So that was a plus for me. They did release concealer and some color correctors. I plan on going back to get that red color corrector because it's bomb. I tried it in the store. So if you're looking for something that's lightweight, breathable, that isn't very thick, I would suggest going to go get a sample of this from Sephora and trying it before you buy it. Last but certainly not least, the Sweet Little Vices. I got them on sale for $12.50. I was getting the Urban Decay Honey Pot bundle, so it was only right. I know they're samples, I shouldn't buy them, but I got them for the cheaper price. The color Red Hot wound up being the one to make this look pop. And I used a little bit of that all-nighter setting spray in Honey. There's really no difference to me. It just smells like honey. I don't mind it at all. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you liked it. I will see you guys on the next tutorial.